Since Michael and I have obviously done everything together, I was naturally the first one to find out about Grace. When he first told me about Grace, typical guy conversation. Dude, guess who I've been texting? You'll never guess it anyway. It's Grace Spires. I really didn't say much then. I just said, good luck, buddy. The typical. Then I saw their first date. He took her jet skiing down the Vermillion River. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that's very romantic. I thought, man, he's really going all in on this one. After that, I was like, okay, he blew that one. There's no way. Then, 3 days later, there they were back on the Vermillion River, jet skiing again.
Almost 5 years ago today, I had no idea that asking you to go ride jet skis would turn into you being my best friend. We've been through a lot together, and I can't imagine doing life with anyone else. I admire your work ethic, bubbly personality, most of all your determination in anything that you do. I'm thankful every day that you chose me to spend the rest of your life with, even when I'm hard to deal with. I can't wait to someday watch you become a mother to our children and to continue to grow together. I promise to always be faithful and to love you through good times and bad times. I can't wait to spend my life with you. I love you now, and I'll love you always.
When Grace began talking with Michael, she told us they were just friends. We found it funny that these friends talk daily and went jet skiing together, but that was none of our business. Since we're all here together today, I think we know how that turned out. For those who don't know, Michael is younger than Grace. In fact, he is the same age as Grace and I's younger brother, Brett. When my family and I found this out, we of course had to poke fun at this fact. All the jokes you can think of were made in our Michael Vernon Talk group chat, which still exists today. Although Michael is younger than us, he has turned out to be one of the most mature, kind, and loving people I know. I am confident that he will make a wonderful husband for Grace, and I know they will have a long, happy, and fulfilling marriage. Really looking forward to seeing them grow and experience life's milestones together.
When you reached out to me wanting to go jet skiing almost 5 years ago, I thought to myself, oh no, he's way too young. As I even said to your dad, he's the same age as my brother. Boy, oh boy, have you proved me wrong over the last 5 years. You have taught me love, kindness, patience, and the incredible value of hard work and determination. I love that you chose to love me every day, and that through the good and bad, your love for me is unwavering, even when I make it incredibly hard to be loved by you. My favorite thing about you is our big dreams. We both want more and always figure out a way to get there. I hope we never stop doing that. I cannot wait to grow old with you, and I cannot wait to watch you to become a father to our children in several years. I know I have not always been the easiest to love, but I commit myself to you and our marriage today and forever.
Like a story, don't know where it'll go, but I see all that I need to know. It's standing right in front of me. Time and time, I do it all again. Here and now is where it all begins. Oh, there's a million stars up overhead. Still I would find you right here all over again. Under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true. I'll always be falling for you.
Michael and Grace, I am honored to be standing before you today, to be the one to marry you, and that will pronounce you husband and wife today. Michael, it is extra special to me because I am your godmother, and I have had the joy of watching you grow up. It may have been from afar sometimes, but I was always watching, and I think you knew that. You have grown into a fine, hardworking young man, and I even heard that they call you old soul at work. And I can see that you have values greater than your years, and I am very proud of you, and I want you to know that. Grace told me that she loves how hard you work and your determination, and she is looking forward to growing your relationship and continuing to build on this amazing story that you have started together. And Grace, you are a smart, beautiful, independent woman who I have enjoyed getting to know over the last several years. Michael says that he loves your work ethic and your determination, and you have excelled in all the things that you have set out to do. But most of all, Michael loves how kind you are and how he knows he can always depend on you.
This ring is a token
Of my love,
of my love.
I offer you
I offer you
all that I have,
all that I have,
all that I am,
all that I am,
and all that I will be.
and all that I will be.
This ring is a token
Of my love,
of my love.
I offer you
I offer you
all that I have,
all that I have,
all that I am,
all that I am,
and all that I will be.
and all that I will be.
And now, you have spoken your vows to each other, and you have exchanged your rings. By the authority of the state of Wisconsin, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and Michael, you may kiss your bride.